Hey everyone, welcome back to SAS Beast Pro. In today's video, we're diving into 7 CapCut tricks on PC that transform your videos. Simple yet powerful editing secrets that'll make your visuals stand out instantly. From smooth animations to professional transitions, we're covering it all, so stay tuned till the end. Now let's get started. Number 1. Master keyframe animation for motion. If you want your text or graphics to flow smoothly like cinematic motion, mastering keyframes in CapCut is a must. This trick helps you add professional animation to your clips, making your videos feel dynamic and polished. It's a small skill with a massive impact on visual storytelling. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Move the playhead to the exact point in your timeline where you want your animation to start. Step 2. Click on your text layer, then go to the right panel and scroll down to find the scale option. Step 3. Add your first keyframe by clicking the diamond icon next to scale. Step 4. Move the playhead to where you want the animation to end, select the text again, and add your second keyframe. Step 5. Now increase the size of your text for the second keyframe to create a zoom-in effect. Step 6. Play back the clip. You'll see your text smoothly scale up between keyframes, creating that clean, professional motion. Step 7. If it feels too fast, simply drag the second keyframe farther away from the first one to slow down the animation. And that's how you master smooth keyframe motion in CapCut. Simple, subtle, but incredibly effective. Number 2. Apply advanced chroma. Key effects. This trick helps you replace plain backgrounds with vibrant visuals, giving your video a polished, cinematic look. It's perfect for creative transitions, green screen effects, or stylized storytelling. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Select the clip you want to edit and make sure the background color is distinct from your subject. For example, a green or blue screen works best. Step 2. Click on the clip, open the Video tab, and select Remove BG, Background. Then locate and click the chroma key option. Step 3. Use the color picker tool to select your background color. Once selected, you'll see the color appear in the chroma key settings panel. Step 4. Increase the intensity slider until the background is fully removed and your subject stands out clearly. Step 5. Adjust the shadow or feather settings if needed to soften the edges or restore natural lighting on your subject. Step 6. After removing the background, open the Basic tab, scroll to Canvas, and choose a new background, such as a pattern, gradient, or custom image, to complete your look. Step 7. Preview your clip to make sure the chroma key effect blends naturally. Make small tweaks to intensity or feathering if needed for a professional finish. Number 3. Use SmartCut for auto-editing. This feature saves tons of time by automatically detecting scene changes and splitting your footage into clean, editable clips. It keeps your timeline organized and your editing process lightning fast. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your project in CapCut. Make sure the video file is onto your timeline. Step 2. Right-click the video clip in your timeline and choose Split Scene to activate CapCut's SmartCut function. Step 3. The AI will scan your video to detect major scene transitions automatically. Step 4. After processing, you'll see your single video turned into multiple clips, each representing a different scene, ready for rearranging, trimming, or fine-tuning as you like. Number 4. Adjust video speed ramping curves. Speed ramping lets you control the rhythm of your video, adding cinematic energy and flow. It's perfect for emphasizing motion, creating dramatic tension, or syncing visuals with music. Mastering this makes your edits feel polished and professional. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Import the clip you want to edit into CapCut and drag it to the timeline. Select the clip so the editing tools appear above. Step 2. Go to the top right corner and click on the speed option. This is where you can control playback speed. Step 3. Choose Curve under the speed settings. This is CapCut's speed ramping feature that lets you vary the clip's speed over time. Step 4. Select a preset ramp curve to apply instant effects like slow in or fast out. These automatically adjust the speed flow for smooth transitions. Step 5. For full control, click Custom and drag points on the curve to decide when to speed up or slow down. You can make quick bursts or gradual changes depending on your desired effect. Step 6. Preview the result in your timeline. Adjust the curve's points if the transition feels too sharp or too slow until it matches your vision. Number 5. Customize keyboard shortcuts for speed. Personalized shortcuts let you edit faster, cut smoother, and boost productivity in CapCut PC. By tailoring key commands to your style, you create a seamless and efficient editing flow. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click the shortcut button at the top right corner of the CapCut interface. This opens a full list of all the default keyboard shortcuts available in the software. Step 2. To modify a shortcut, click on the command key you want to change, then press your desired new key on the keyboard. This lets you instantly replace old shortcuts with ones that feel more natural to you. Step 3. Explore the 4 tabs, Timeline, Player, Basic, and Other, to find shortcuts grouped by their functions. This makes it easy to adjust only the areas you use most. Step 4. To create or switch shortcut presets, open the drop-down menu at the top right and select your preferred presets. You can fully customize it to match your personal editing workflow. Step 5. Once you're happy with your setup, hit Save to confirm your changes. Your new shortcuts are now active and ready to accelerate your editing process. Number 6. Export videos in high-quality settings. Exporting your videos with the right settings ensures your final output looks professional and polished without taking up unnecessary storage space. It's the key to maintaining crisp visuals and smooth playback on any platform. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Once the project is ready, click the Export button located at the top right corner of the screen to open the Export Settings window. Step 2. Give your file a clear descriptive name and select a folder where you can easily find it later. Step 3. Choose a resolution that balances quality and file size. 1080p is usually ideal for most projects. Step 4. Adjust the bitrate. Keep it at the recommended level to ensure high quality without producing oversized files. Step 5. Choose the codec. Select H.264, as it delivers excellent quality and compatibility across all major platforms. Step 6. Pick your file format. Go with MP4 since it's widely supported and performs well across devices, though MOV is also available. Step 7. Set the frame rate. Use 30 FPS for a smooth and standard look, or match it with your original footage for best results. Step 8. Configure the audio format. Choose MP3 for clear universal sound quality unless your project requires a specific alternative. Step 9. Once everything looks good, hit the Export button. The processing time will depend on your computer's power. Just wait for it to finish, and your high-quality video will be ready to share. Number 7. Add text overlays with animation. Adding animated text overlays brings life to your videos, making your message stand out and keeping viewers engaged. It's an easy way to add energy and professional flair to your edits. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Navigate to the Text tab and click Add Text to drag a basic text layer onto your timeline. This sets up your base text element for customization. Step 2. Double-click the text layer to type your message. Then adjust the font, size, and color using the right side controls. This helps you match the style and tone of your video. Step 3. With the text layer selected, open the Animation tab on the right panel. Here you'll find pre-made animations categorized as in, out, or loop. Step 4. Pick an animation style that fits your vibe, and adjust the duration using the slider for smooth entry and exit effects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more editing tips.